The sun shining on the International Court of Justice on a cold winter's morning in The Hague belied the dark nature of the allegations being made inside. At the world's top court, Myanmar stands accused of genocide. In their closing arguments, the Gambia's lawyers said the suggestion by Myanmar that any wrongdoing by its military should be investigated internally was inconceivable.
When 6 of its top generals, including the Commander-in-Chief, Senior General Min Aung Hlaing, have all been accused of genocide by the UN fact-finding mission and recommended for criminal prosecution.
This was just the opening phase of a case that's likely to last for years. It's alleged that Myanmar soldiers raped, murdered and tortured Rohingya Muslims as part of attempts to wipe out the ethnic group. Claims backed up by United Nations investigators. In her closing statement, Myanmar's leader Aung San Suu Kyi again didn't address the specific allegations, but called on the case to be thrown out.
Myanmar requests the court to remove the case from its list. In the alternative, to reject the request for the indication of provisional measures submitted by the Gambia.
If approved, those measures would involve the court ordering Myanmar's government to ensure the security of the Rohingya.
So certainly if the court were to order provisional measures, it's saying that on first glance, with not an intensive fact-finding, on first glance, that there is probably acts of genocide.
A decision on that could be made within weeks.
With Aung San Suu Kyi here leading Myanmar's defence, the first phase of this case became as much about her as the government or military. Would this former campaigner for human rights use the opportunity to finally show some sort of contrition or sympathy towards the Rohingya? She didn't, and she leaves with her international reputation lower than when she arrived.
Seeing her in court having to listen to the evidence would have provided some satisfaction for the Rohingya, who once believed she would be the one to fight for their rights. Now it's become an international fight for justice. Wayne Hay, Al Jazeera, The Hague.